friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen sausage waffles in the air fryer. So these breakfast frozen sandwiches are made out of waffles instead of buns with a sausage in between. They're so delicious, and air fryer makes them perfect. It's the best way to cook them. In a microwave, everything is soggy, but in an air fryer, everything is crispy. They're so good. No need to defrost. We're cooking them straight from frozen. So I'm going to open up a package of those sausage waffle sandwiches. And let's take them out of their packaging. Look at this nice mini waffle sausage sandwich. And the best way to cook them is to take it apart. So just cook each piece separately. And since they're so small, I can just do 2 at a time. So you can do 1 or 2. The cooking time is going to be the same. It doesn't really change anything. As many as you want to cook at once. And now I'm going to put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious sausage waffles. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Looks so brown and crispy. So now I'm just going to assemble them just like they are in the picture. So here's the bottom waffle bun. So look how it's browned here and here. And it's crisp and yet still soft. Perfectly toasted. And now I will put the sausage and top with the top waffle piece. And same with the second one. Perfect. That makes an amazing breakfast or anytime snack. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Perfect. This waffle is so crispy, so flavorful, and the sausage is fully heated, so juicy and moist. It's a perfect combination, and it's amazing in the air fryer. This is the best method of preparing these. Once you try making them in the air fryer, you will love it. You'll never want to make it any other way. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!